Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. My mission is to run around 40 countries by just using Bitcoin. Join along to see how I eat, live, travel with Bitcoin. Yay! So this is my host here, Desir. And Desir has been telling me a lot about this country. He told me there are majorly four foreigners that are here. Lebanese, Chinese, UN. The UN is there. And which is the other one?
But many people from Chad, because they know how to sell in the market.
Exactly. Like the businesses that we came across were all Lebanese owned. The Bangi Mall is Lebanese. Any shopping mart is Lebanese. Boulangerie is Lebanese.
Everything.
Yeah, man. And the thing is, like Lebanon, the currency is collapsed. The country is in chaos there. And yeah, so there is, but no sign of war. I did not feel anything. And Russians, the fourth one were Russians. Yeah, we forgot Russians. I was like,
For the Russia, they are military.
Military, yeah, exactly.
Supporting the government.
They're supporting the government.
All this is water.
There's water. This is a nice river though. Okay, I came to Bangi Hotel. I went to the central market. Yes, you feel something in the central market. But here, yeah, you just see everything is wonderful. It's peaceful. It is peaceful. I myself am feeling it. I went for a nice run also in the forest. Ha. So it's great. I am excited to just talk to him over the next 5 days and see how much we can know more about Bangi. So love you, man. Thank you so much for bringing me here.
Thanks.
And we have to buy Central Africa for me, okay? See, the flag is flying. We have to buy. When you're okay, we'll do this. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good, bro.
Okay.
So today is day number 361. Today is 12th of September and we are sitting here by this wonderful place. It's the, what is this? The stadium.
Is that the stadium?
All right.
And then people are running a business, selling food,
Yeah.
beer, juice, everything.
And what are we doing?
So now we are writing the request to UN for the flight to Obu.
Wow. That's so true, man. There is no roadways. It's crazy. And let's hope we have written a letter down here. And let's see, fingers crossed. Will we get it?
Yeah, I hope that we get it.
Yeah, man. All right, thank you so much, bro. This is my host. I'm really honored to have met him. Really blessed. God bless you, brother. And let's see what happens. And there's something crazy, though. We got me a visa to Congo. It took us 30 minutes. 30 minutes because of this guy. So, cheers, bro.
Cheers.
Cheers to you. And yeah, let's see. Let's send the send button. There you go. This is the send button. And send. Yo, good morning. We are off to the Baoli Waterfalls with my host. Good morning, brother.
Yeah, morning.
These are petrol pumps on the right. They're always closed. They don't have petrol.
Yeah, you see, always close.
And we have to fill petrol through bottles. That is crazy.
Of course.
And I didn't expect this, man. I saw petrol pump everywhere. Wow. Okay, let's go.
If you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that.
We are here 90 kilometers from our house. 1.5 hours, 6 checkposts. And yeah, oh my god, this is so good. Yeah, now you're comfortable. See? This is a must-visit place in Central Africa Republic. Like, you have to come here. It's an easy road. And watch this thing now. It is amazing. You have eaten this? You know this?
No,
This is amazing.
That's my first time. Getting food.
Ah!
Mm.
Boom.
Nice.
Pacha
So
mama.
how do you feel it?
It's like a, did you eat?
Yeah. This is the first time?
Pacha mama. Yeah. What is this?
Dingy.
Dingy. D or G?
G. G.
Dingy. For the kids, they will eat, they will break. Ah! Dude, I'm eating something that I just found, like dingy. Lovely. God bless. But something super cool here is this village of Baoli has electricity 24 hours. And that is the hydroelectricity power station right there. Okay? We can have Bitcoin mining here. Ah, this will be crazy, and it is legal here in Central Africa Republic. Oh, so to all the miners out there, guys, this is our spot right there. Zoni Gango. So does this place have Wi-Fi
Of course.
and
we do have.
electricity?
Electricity is 20 hours, 20 hours. No power cuts around the place.
Oh my God! And in Bangi?
And Bangladesh, sometimes we have a power cut for 5 hours or 2 hours and so on.
Oh wow! Mama. Pacha mama, everyone knows Pacha mama. There you go, just beautiful, man. It's good.
Very good.
It's good, eh? Hi, good morning. Day number 363. I am running in the stadium. I'm so scared to remove my camera outside, man. It is just super patrolling. This stadium is run down. Look at it. Good morning. After the run, I'm here at the Leisure Hotel and gonna check if they accept Bitcoin. Let's see, man. Ooh, ta-da, ta-da. So the hotel doesn't accept Bitcoin. We had lunch together, and I'm walking on the streets. I'm so scared to use even my camera, man. It's so crazy. I'll try to see if we can find some shop that accepts Bitcoin. Still on the mission. Let's go. Hi, what's up? How are you?
Hi guy.
How are you?
I'm fine.
All right, man. What's your name?
My name is Salim Mamadou.
Okay, and what is Bitcoin to you?
Yeah, Bitcoin now. This guy showed me how Bitcoin is very interesting. So I'm inside now.
Nice.
Okay.
We are in Bangi right now, and he saved my name as Crypto. And I started shouting. I was like, hey!
Quiet, I will change it. Don't worry. I will change it. No problem.
He's into import and export. So for him, Bitcoin is really beneficial.
Very interesting, yes.
And it's going to be a nice thing. And now we are just moving out from the center to just see how the day goes. We have a couple of hours to explore with him. Let's see how it goes. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tu veux aller récupérer tes 100 milliards, tu peux pas l'avoir.
Parce que ça n'existe pas.
Ça n'existe pas.
Voilà.
Tu as le chiffre, tu as le chiffre, tu as les 100 milliards.
All right, hi. We are finally, after 2 hours with this brother, able to tell them about Bitcoin. So what is Bitcoin now?
I don't speak really. Là, il veut payer en Bitcoin. Moi, j'ai mon portefeuille Bitcoin. Là, il veut payer. Il a fait des achats.
Yes, we're gonna buy this for the candies for the kids and this. Yeah.
Mangoes.
Mangoes, yes.
Ok.
Okay.
Là, on va procéder au paiement.
Perfect.
Ouais.
Let's go receive it.
Receive it.
And you go add custom amount. No, add amount. No. Add amount. 3500. Done. Alright, I go to my wallet. Alright, that's his first time Bitcoin?
First time.
Okay. Okay, today. Yep. Come here. Ah, 2 minutes. Ah, done.
Yeah.
You see?
Okay.
3,500 from.
Okay.
You see, no problems here. Hi, good morning. I'm trying to find myself a bracelet to Central Africa like this. I'm in the market. It's Marché Central. Artisanal Marché. And let's see if I can find that. I found one. It is Central Africa. Do you accept Bitcoin? Can I pay you in Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Do you accept Bitcoin?
No.
No. Got this for the kids. Got this one for me. And yeah, let's go. Finally found it. This is the only place in the market they had it. Merci beaucoup. Just went to the National Museum. I didn't understand anything. But yeah, it's all in French. I don't speak French. Ha. Oh my god, let's get out of here.